my wife is not around, so I decided to cook myself food, and this is the only food I cooked. Or you can see, this is smashed beans. We have just 2 eggs, and then a pile of matoke, low cooked without peeling them. So let's enjoy together my lunch. Hope that you wanna find it more interesting. So literally my hands are very clean. No soup at all, just village food. These are beans, but they're very delicious. You get that? They're really very delicious. And I decided to also cook matoke without peeling them, you know. Tell me in the comment box. When my wife is here and when I'm here alone, where do I eat the best food? I think this one is the best because it is just boiled one.
Sinking in, I know this feels right. Catching a crazy love moving through me like a wildfire, like a wildfire.
This matoke is very big. I don't know. I cooked it 4, but I'm not sure whether I'll finish them. But if I don't finish, actually, I have remembered Liam is around. Let me go pick Liam. Come, okay. Okay, so I brought Liam now. So I had forgotten. He's the only one around. All others are not around. So I'll give you this. Alright, yeah. Disorganizing my clothes, okay?
Sinking in, I know this feels right.
My flower.
Catching a crazy love moving through me like a wildfire,
Leah,
like a wildfire.
Kenda. I also organized this tea from ginger and avocado leaves. See how it looks like. You see how it looks like? Liam Rayman. Shakmo. Udiyotsa. Yeah. So it's a bit hot. Single. You know when you tell him that I have been convincing my grandma to see whether or how she can really accept to go to the hospital and get a surgery, but lucky enough she accepted. In the morning she told me that, Abraham, right now I'm ready to go to the hospital. So meaning that tomorrow we shall be heading to the hospital, and I think she'll be hospitalized because you remember last time when we went to the hospital, doctor suggested that she should be operated, but of course, you know, operations happen on the consent of a patient or a person who they are together, and on that time my grandma didn't allow or did not consent to the operation, so we had to come back without the operation. So tomorrow we are going to head to the hospital, whereby we are going to have grandma operated. I'll document everything which will be happening tomorrow, and I'll keep you updated. So I'll try my level best to document as much as I can to get documented. You know, even today I did not create a very big video because, you know, I'm in that, like, I'm feeling like, you know, I have that feeling, you get. I don't know whether you can understand what I'm trying to mean, because I have to really make sure that my grandmother get the best treatment. You get, I think you get that, you get what I'm trying to mean. So actually today I was supposed to start removing the Rita from chicken house. You see, I was supposed to start to remove the Rita, because I will start to removing the Rita with this chicken house. I will first deal with this chicken house. I remove the Rita. After removing the Rita, I disinfect, do the repair, and after doing that, I will bring back these chickens which are inside here, which we are living in here. You get, these ones which we are living in here are the ones which I will bring back here, and then I empty this one. After emptying this one, so I will work on this one again. I put the Rita, do the management, all the things that are required, disinfect. After disinfecting, I can get the birds which are up and I bring them down. So when I bring them down, then I will also have an ample time then to change the Rita in upper section. Okay, so that's what I'm looking forward to, and I just wanted to give you that update of what is taking place, and I request you for a special prayers. Pray for my grandma so that when tomorrow she goes, and maybe she goes to the surgery or to the theater, she comes back alive. You know, she is the only person I have who can make me happy, who stood by me when I was in hell. You get, she defended me, she stood by me, she comforted me and taught me. You get, so that's why you see, like, I owe so much for her. Even when my own parents turned against me, my grandmother stood by my side, because I remember she could stand and tell them, like, you have to understand that this is your child, you should not behave the way you're behaving, you know. Sure, she did a lot which I cannot really explain on the camera, you know. I'm not a very good storyteller, but you understand. So I will pray for her. The most thing I'm requesting you, it's your prayers to pray for her, so that when she goes to the surgery, she comes back when she's safe and clear, you know, when she's energetic like never before. You get that? Okay guys, so let's have a quick view of our chickens, and then I end today's video. You know, today's video is purely short, a very short video, not that much long. You get, so this is our laying birds, or the croiler which are starting to lay. You see, and I have to really actually work hard so that I change the Rita as fast as I can, so that we can maintain our chickens as healthy as possible. And again, I think tomorrow when I take my grandma to the hospital, I will have to bring back a Newcastle vaccine and a dewormer, because at the stage where they are supposed to get another Newcastle vaccine and a dewormer to get rid of the worms, so that we can get them to peak production. Let's see. Here it appears more dark. I don't know whether you are able to see, but we have here one egg. Let me see. I'm not getting another egg here. Maybe I monitor in a little bit to see whether I can get another egg out. Do we have another egg? Chickens, do we have any other egg? It seems there is no any other egg. Yes, because right now it's becoming pure evening. It's 6:30 p.m. so there are no many eggs, because they are right now preparing to sleep. But I'm supposed to add in water, because for chickens which are laying, they need more water so that they are able to lay eggs in the next day, because 60% of an egg is made of water, and they need more water and more calcium. Okay. So these are my cocks. They are fertilizing. This is the lower section, and you see I am also collecting one egg from there. You get. So it's evening. They are now, as I'm telling you, they are just preparing to go asleep or to be asleep, because it's pure evening. You get.